Hello everyone, so we're going to keep going on this. What we did before is we have the cloud and we got Business Central and Power BI connecting together. And so I have the inventory data coming from Business Central into Power BI, and we created, I'm going to do this with different color. We created a list here with items, and we saw quantities, etc., and item category. I'll put that here, item category. So one of the things that we saw in the item list here is that some of these had negative quantities. And that's not good, right? And then we have some of them that actually had no item category. So it was filled up for some, and then empty, and then filled up for some. So we want to fix this now. I want to fix the quantities that are negative, and I want to fix the items that have no item category, so I have a complete set. And then I want to refresh the data from Business Central into Power BI to see my changes. So I'm going to go up to Business Central, fix the problem, refresh it into Power BI, and see the updated changes. Let's see how that works. And one more thing, we're going to use another app to fix the data called Excel. Aha! All right, let's take a look. All right, so let's take a look at where we were. We did have a few items that were negative inventory, and we had a few items that didn't have item category code, and we want to fix that. So I actually fixed most of them, and I have one left here. The guest section is at -5, as you can see. So I want to go ahead and fix the guest section. And I can go ahead and go into Business Central, just take a look at the list view, so it's easier to find. And here I have it sorted of quantity on hand, so I see a -5. And I want to fix that to be 0. So let's just say this was a mistake. So I go here into adjust inventory. This is on the conference bundle. Let me just go on the right one. Adjust inventory. Put this at 0. Hit OK. And now it's 0. Now I want to see this in Power BI. Just go back here and hit refresh. It's already connected, so all I have to do is hit refresh. And it refreshes my report. And now it's gone to 0. So you see I have no negative inventory. Now what about the item category code? We want to fix that. And I want to use Excel to fix that, which makes it really cool. So I go here into edit in Excel, and I get the item card connected to Excel. Notice that I did add the item category code here just for viewing. You can do that using personalization. But here, if I click Excel, I get the item card across, just hit enable editing. It will log into my account. So Excel is now connected to the cloud and to BC, the data source. There's no configuration that had to be done. All I did was edit in Excel, and I get a list of my items. Now, this list here contains not the same columns as the list that I was looking at, the item list. It actually has a separate set of columns. And in this list, unfortunately, I don't have the item category. So how do I fix that? Because I really want to fix the item category. I can go in here and just go into design and take a look at this table that's connected and just hit edit. And it shows me all the fields that are available right here. And up here. And then all the fields are visible up here. And if I go into available fields, I can find my item category. And I just double click on that. And that pops up here. So basically it's right here. And I'm going to push it as far up as I can. There's a lot of fields here. Let's see. Let's get it into visibility. There it is. Put it right next to description. Okay, so now if I hit update, just update yes. Item category code shows up. Now there's nothing going to be in here, and that's of course not true because I know I have item category codes in the system, but I have to click here on done and refresh the data, and then it brings the data in again. And now it is here. So for the magic moment, I'm going to put the, let me see, I'm going to put the medium drip coffee into cups for now. And coffee bean, that's just the cups category. The bundle is going to go into miscellaneous. And the guest section is a chair, sectional chair. Conference bundle is miscellaneous. Conference package, miscellaneous. Okay, so I now have item category code for everything. And now I want to publish this. So it gets published. And it's successful. And if I go into Business Central and I refresh Business Central just by hitting F5 or up here, we should get the latest data. And look at that. All my item categories are fixed. Now, if I go into Power BI, I can just hit refresh. And we get everything in here perfectly. And so now we have basically fixed the data so that all the item categories are filled out. So if we do any reporting by item category, then we're not going to have any empty values, which is exactly what we want.